let me put this how your Energizer is primarily configured. So let me connect it here like this. So if I use this part, there's the energizing part. Can you see that? It's telling me that it's not covered because until when this spring goes down like this, that's when it will work. It will stop now. So let me close it down like this. I'll still test all the peripheral. Can you see now? It's working. Who can tell me one thing that we notice here? The gate light is blinking.
The power also is blinking.
Power blinking means that there is no power. We did not plug it yet. It's using battery. So why is the gate light blinking? The major reason why the gate light is blinking is because this switch is not connected. So the moment I key it like this, and the switch port is connected to each other. Can you see the connection now? If I put it now, can you see that gate light is no longer blinking? Yeah. So the next thing I want to test now, I want to test this is the flashlight. This flashlight, both of them are DC, but this one works with 12 volts, while this one can work with up to 3000 volts.